In this video, you will learn how to configure features that you can use to ensure consistency across your projects. These mining block polygons are organized into 4 groups, representing 4 shovels. The polygons in each group are represented with a unique color, line style, and pattern. If you create a feature set to match your chosen group color scheme, you can apply consistent attributes to mining blocks on other benches quickly. To get started, label each polygon by group, so you know which color corresponds to each shovel. Now you can define a feature that matches the polygon color, pattern, and line style used for shovel 1. With the feature editor, you may alter and save changes to an existing feature. Copy one feature configuration to a new feature with Save As, or delete an existing feature. You may also create a new feature. There are 4 main types of attributes you may configure. You can see that this feature will create a line object and prompt for an object name. The text entered in the combo box will display as a prompt when someone uses this feature. You can provide more flexibility by allowing the option to use the current object name, description, or layer. Alternately, you may force a specific layer, object name, or object description. You have similar controls for other attributes. You can click the New button to create a new Shovel 1 feature. A feature description will let other people know the purpose of the attribute set. You know you want to use this feature to create mining cut polygons. You will likely want to create a new mining polygon when you right-click while using the feature. If so, select Create New Object on Cancel. Now you can choose the color, line type, and pattern that matches what you already defined in the 24 cuts layer. As you want to make sure these attributes are consistent across all layers, choose to force your selections. As these polygons are grouped by shovel, select to force the object group and enter Shovel 1. Click Save on the Feature Editor panel to save your changes. You can click Save As to quickly create a copy of this feature to save some time when choosing attributes for the next feature. Change the object attribute settings to match an existing Shovel 2 polygon. You should also alter the description slightly. Remember to save your changes. Pause this video and create features for the remaining 2 shovels. Restart this video when you are ready to continue. When you have saved all features, click OK to dismiss the panel. Now you have feature sets that match your existing polygon attributes for each shovel, but the property editor does not reflect a feature. For good record keeping, consistency across data, and to ensure you configured your features correctly, apply your new features to existing polygons. Although there are many ways you could accomplish this task, the attribute editor may be one of the fastest. As your group names and feature names match, you could select all loaded objects, then copy all values in the group column to the feature column in the grid. You can click a column header to select all items in the column. Click OK to apply the changes. If you configured your features correctly, the appearance of the cut blocks should not change. The difference is the property editor reflects that a feature was applied to each block, which indicates that the object attributes should match the feature set shown.